Hey everyone, I'm Leo, and today we're exploring one of the most mysterious wonders of the ancient world, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Some say it existed, others say it's just a legend. But today, we're going to uncover the story behind it, with my off-road moto ready for the adventure. We're in the land of ancient Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization. This area lies between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in what is now modern-day Iraq. And somewhere here, the legendary gardens were believed to stand. The Hanging Gardens are often linked to King Nebuchadnezzar II, who ruled the ancient city of Babylon. Legend says he built the gardens for his wife, who missed the green hills of her homeland. Imagine terraces filled with trees, flowers, and waterfalls rising high above the desert. If the stories are true, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon were a masterpiece of engineering. Layer upon layer of gardens, almost like a green mountain built by humans. Water had to be lifted from the river to the top levels, possibly using ancient machines or irrigation systems. Here's the mystery. No clear archaeological evidence has ever been found. Some historians believe the gardens may have been located elsewhere, or maybe they never existed at all. But sometimes, legends are just as powerful as reality. This is where my off-road moto comes in. Exploring ancient lands like this feels like stepping back in time. Even if the gardens are gone, the story still lives in the land. Close your eyes and imagine. Green plants flowing over stone terraces, water gently falling, birds singing in the distance. A paradise in the middle of the desert. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon may be a mystery, but that's what makes it so fascinating. I'm Leo, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Stay curious and never stop exploring.
Vocabulary. Legend. A traditional story that may not be true. Example: the Hanging Gardens are a famous legend. Terrace. A flat level built on a slope. Example: the gardens were built on terraces. Irrigation. Supplying water to land or crops. Example: irrigation helped water the plants. Questions practice. 1. Do you believe the Hanging Gardens really existed? Why? 2. What kind of place would you build for someone you love? 3. Why are ancient legends important to us today?